Hindu population share decline. The report that has come with the findings has become a political showdown. The big news coming in: Priyanka Gandhi Vadra dismissing this report. This is the Prime Minister panel that had come forth with this report, and she's even mocking this population share report. Asking on the panel report, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra evaded, smirked at it, and then decided to go ahead. Let's listen in and try to understand what exactly unfolded when she was asked a question on this.
प्रधानमंत्री की आर्थिक सलाहकार परिषद की एक स्टडी में पाया गया है 1950 से 2015 के बीच हिंदुओं की आबादी 7.8% घट गई है, जबकि भारत की जनसंख्या में अल्पसंख्यक समूहों की हिस्सेदारी बढ़ गई है।
ये सवाल कहाँ से आया आपके पास? ऑफिस की तरफ से ना? ऑफिस को बोलो प्रियंका जी पूछ रही है किसने भेजा उन्हें।
She's in fact questioned the reporter here and said, "Why are you asking me this question?" And she said that, "Has your office asked you to ask this question?" Let's listen in again to what Priyanka Gandhi and how did she react on what was said when she was asked this question, because she clearly says, and it appears from her smirk, that she's branding it simply as a political mention. Let's listen in again to what she said.
प्रधानमंत्री की आर्थिक सलाहकार परिषद की एक स्टडी में पाया गया है 1950 से 2015 के बीच हिंदुओं की आबादी 7.8% घट गई है, जबकि भारत की जनसंख्या में अल्पसंख्यक समूहों की हिस्सेदारी बढ़ गई है।
ये सवाल कहाँ से आया आपके पास? ऑफिस की तरफ से ना? ऑफिस को बोलो प्रियंका जी पूछ रही है किसने भेजा उन्हें।
So this is basically the PM panel report, and we'll be getting you more details on what this report entails. Samarth Srivastav is joining me on this. Samarth, so from her reaction it appeared that she's suggesting that this is simply a political mention amid the election season. She says, "Jaake pucho kahan se aaya hai?" Samarth, how do you think the Congress party and Priyanka Gandhi's response that's likely to lead to a showdown on this panel report?
Well, Priyanka Gandhi's response is quite similar to the fact that she believes that it's all about the timing. What's the timing of this particular report? What of in a way taking out this report by the Prime Minister Economic Council, saying that the only 88% increase, and while if you talk about the minority percentage, it's over 40%, and now BJP is also reacting to the same. UP Deputy CM Keshav Prasad Maurya is also worried with the update. Sakshi Maharaj spoke to India Today and clearly said that it's really upsetting to know the decrease in the percentage of Hindus and increase in the population of the minority. So that's why when Priyanka Gandhi, who is campaigning in Raebareli, when she was asked about this particular question, she in a way even questioned the reporter and said, "Who ordered you to ask this particular question?" Because she believes that this is not something which could be an agenda for the elections. That's what Priyanka Gandhi or Rahul Gandhi has been kept on saying. Whenever it's something about that polarization thing, Congress party keeps itself apart. Also, Samajwadi Party would have reacted to the same way, because they believe that this is something, be it that particular index, about the timing of this particular index coming in. Both opposition parties believe, Priyanka Gandhi believe, that it's all about deviating the elections from the current topics. Though the response from Priyanka Gandhi could have been something else. She could have responded with something from the point of the opposition which could have hurted the BJP, but she even in a way took on the reporter and even questioned the reporter and asked her, "Who asked you to in a way ask that particular question?" Priyanka Gandhi is currently in Raebareli. She's in a way attending the Nukkad Sabhas all around Raebareli. Yesterday also she in a way took around 8 to 10 Nukkad Sabhas, and currently today's program is also like that, and later from tomorrow she'll be in Amethi. So Priyanka Gandhi has also said till the time Election Commission won't tell her to leave Amethi and Raebareli till 18th of May, 5
So extensively campaigning in Amethi and Raebareli. She is the star campaigner of the Congress party. And replying to the reporter, she's basically suggesting that ye kahan se aaya hai, and that it is probably a political mention in this election season. This is right now the big story, and we'll be tracking. Samarth, stay on with me, and thank you for this update right now.